NBC News in depth tonight. Attention shoppers in China. There's something they will no longer be getting at the grocery store because of an unusual move in a country not usually thought of on the front lines of going green. NBC's Mark Mullen reports.
At this Beijing Walmart store, customers now have another choice besides cash or credit at the checkout counter. It's how to carry home their purchases. They can use their own bag, buy a sturdy, reusable plastic sack, or, as Li Hailong decided, just carry the stuff by hand, since in China, merchants are now banned from giving away ultra-thin plastic bags. The idea? Change shoppers' habits in the world's most populous country while giving the environment a break. Chinese consumers have been using, by one count, as many as 3 billion thin plastic bags every day. Bags which are often used once and then discarded. Some take as long as 200 years to degrade. Also, it takes 37 million barrels of expensive crude oil every year just to make the bags. Many Chinese shoppers like Ms. Zhao told us it's a great policy. But there is a downside to the ban. The Huaqing plastic factory, China's largest plastic bag maker, has closed, leaving 20,000 workers holding the bag out of a job. And a longtime consultant to the plastics industry says if China had a better recycling program, this would not be necessary.
Why do people fight over used Coca-Cola bottles and not plastic bags? The bags have no recycle value.
Kicking a 3 billion a day plastic bag habit won't be easy, but the Chinese have made do before. After all, it was only in the 1990s that hundreds of millions of Chinese started using those plastic bags in the first place, giving up their cloth, vinyl, or traditional bamboo containers. And not everyone did that. Mark Mullen, NBC News, Beijing.